The truth is, managing multiple Instagram accounts manually is a time-sucking nightmare, but this all-in-one automation software can run over 1,000 accounts effortlessly, boosting your reach in minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to Chung Social Tools channel. In today's video, I will show you an all-in-one Instagram marketing automation software that can help you manage multiple Instagram accounts and use all automation features. So, this is my software. You can see first we have the account management. This will help you to add and manage multiple Instagram accounts. You can see here I have more than 50 accounts, and these accounts you can attach a proxy. So each account will have a different IP, and that is very necessary when you're using multiple Instagram accounts. So that is account management. You will manage all the accounts here, and you can log into these accounts. This you can see will also open the browser, and we will be using our own browser. It's a clean browser, so it makes your account more secure. And there you can see it will log into the Instagram account like this, and you can zoom in and use this just like a normal browser. Next, we have content management. This will help you to add and manage all the content. The content can have text and image or video, and you can post with location, and you can generate the content using AI. You will go to System Installation, and you can enter the model AI, JBT, or Gemini. Next, we have Message Management. This will help you to scan all the account messages, and then you can reply to them automatically, or you can reply by the input. This will help you to scan the messages of all accounts, and you can reply to them with the script that you set up. Next, we have Send Message. This will help you to send DMS to the target person that you want. You will enter the profile link here, and then it will auto-send DMs, or you can send to your followers. You can interact with people before you send messages. Next, we have the interaction script. This will help you to make an automation script that will help you to warm up the account. You click to add a new script. You can see here it mimics the real actions of a person. You can read notifications, scroll stories, newsfeed, watch reels, like posts, comment on posts. And one important thing is that you can generate the content using AI. It means it will also scan for the post first and then generate the comment content. So it makes the content unique. You can interact with your followers or those you're following. You can interact with any account that you want. And you can interact with a list of keywords like this. You enter the keywords here, so it will build the characteristics for the account. Like here, I have money, motivation, crypto, finance. So I will build the account that has these characteristics. Basically, this will mimic the real actions of people. So it will help you to increase the trust of the account. There are two numbers here because each account will randomly choose a number between them. So it will be different. Moving on, we have viral marketing. This is the most important feature of the software. First, we have post article. Post article means you can post on your Instagram account. You can post video or image. Next, we have post article account, which means you will copy the post from any account that you want. You will enter the account link here and it will copy. Next, we have posting reels. This will help you to post reels. This is interactive reel video. This will help you to interact with any reel video that you want. You can follow, you can like, you can tag your friends, and you can comment. Next, we have seeding posts. Seeding means you like, comment, and watch videos on any post that you want on Instagram. Next, we have comment by hashtag. This will help you to enter the hashtag here, and then it will search for this hashtag and then comment like this, or you can up top comment. Up top means you enter the comment link here. It will also answer that comment and then like that comment. So that comment will be pushed to the top. Next, we have share this post. It will help you to share posts to custom users, or you can share posts to your followers or those you're following, and you can share with content. Next, we have follow auto-follow account. You can follow by account link list, you can follow by keyword, or you can follow by suggestion. Follow link list, you will enter the links here. Each link is a line, and then it will auto-follow. Follow by keyword means you will enter the keyword here. It will auto-follow, search for this keyword, find the account that has this keyword, and then auto-follow. Finally, we have unfollow. You can unfollow or you can unfollow by username list. Moving on, we have update information. This will help you to change all the information of the account. There you can log into the personal page. You can change name, gender, profile picture, bio, and username. Here's update information. It will help you to change the password. Next, we have scan data. This will help you to scan followers or those following any account that you want, or you can scan from your own account. Next, we have scan account by keyword. This means you enter the keyword here, and it will search for the accounts that have this keyword. Next, we have search the scan article by account. This will help you to extract the post list of any account that you want. This is scan article by keyword. You will enter the keyword here. It will also search for this keyword, and then you can use the viral marketing to interact with that post. We have the scan account detail, which will help you to scan the account details, like you can know the name, the number of followers and following, and the number of posts. Next, we have scan detail post. You will know the date that the article was created, the type, the number of likes, the number of comments, and the tags. Next, we have scan account comment. You will know who commented on the post, so you can interact with that. This will help you to find the target, so you can interact automatically with the viral marketing section for message management. Finally, we have unlock account. This will help you to unlock Hotmail. If your account is using Hotmail, basically most of the accounts on the market right now are using Hotmail. I have multiple videos about all these features. I will put them in the corner. You can check them. Okay, so basically I just showed you a software that can help you manage multiple Instagram accounts and use all automation features. If you need more information, please contact me on Telegram at @2chungmkt or WhatsApp. The details are pinned down below in the comment section.